AirSlide Pro, dual station heat press, with manual or auto modes for garment decoration.
With built-in infrared positioning, every design is placed with pinpoint accuracy. Premium heating elements and an automatic pneumatic system deliver flawless transfers every time. The fully automatic mode streamlines batch printing for maximum efficiency. Safety comes first. The light curtain design prevents accidents during operation. It automatically logs your output, even for batch personalization, and notifies you when the project is complete.
Each upper platen can be set with its own printing time and pressure, making it easy to handle different craft projects.
Beyond garment decoration, unlock endless creative possibilities. Smart touchscreen control makes user management effortless, saves custom settings, records parameters, and manages projects with ease. Choose from multiple preset modes or manually enter parameters for different materials. Spend less time adjusting and more time creating.
The upper platen has 7 adjustable speed settings. Adjust the delay time of the heating platen.